Hi friends, welcome to week 17 of school. We are on, I think this is week 7 of distance learning, so that's kind of crazy. But we're getting through it. We're doing well. This is a peek at our week. On Monday and Tuesday, we are going to post our slideshows, so our Google Slides from our chapter study that we did last week. Okay, so on Monday, everyone's going to post those here so that you have access to every chapter. Okay, then on Monday and Tuesday, I give you 2 days to do this. You're going to kind of dig through those slideshows and fill out the rest of your foldable for the 4 chapters you didn't read. Okay, so you'll have many options because there's at least 4 or 5 kids in every class that had the same chapter. So that means there should be 4 or 5 Google slideshows for each chapter. So there's going to be kind of a lot. And I have you put your chapter title or number in your comment before you paste your link. So make sure you do that because otherwise we're not going to know exactly which chapter you did. So if someone's looking for chapter 10, it would say Miss McAlpine, chapter 10, here's my link to my Google Slides. Okay, so that's what we're doing Monday and Tuesday. You are going through those slideshows, so it's important that every single person posts theirs on Monday, and I'll remind you at our Google Meet too. And make sure your slideshow is not set to private, otherwise no one will be able to view it. Okay, so we're going to do that Monday and Tuesday. We're going to get our foldables kind of all buttoned up with information. Then on Wednesday, we are going to do a test review. Our Latin America unit is coming to an end. Our quarter 2 is coming to an end. We only have a short time left, and we will be on to quarter 3. So we're going to do our review, our test review on Wednesday, and then we will take our actual test at home on Thursday. Okay. Friday is going to be a missing work completion day. I know that some of us don't have missing work, so that's great. You're just going to have a Google form to fill out then on Friday, so it'll be quick for you. Otherwise, if you do have missing work, you're going to buckle down and get some stuff done on Friday, okay? So this is the directions for when you're adding information to your foldable. This is the folder for our test review on Wednesday, and this is where you'll find your test. It will be published on Thursday during class. Remember, if you don't take it during class time, it will be locked after that, and you'll have to email me and let me know why you didn't take it during class, okay? On Friday, this is kind of the outline for our missing work day. It's not just a free-for-all. We are going to use kind of a structure to get stuff done. So I have a Google form that everyone is going to fill out. Even if you don't have missing work, every single person's going to fill out this Google form. Whoops, sorry, I clicked out of it. Everyone's going to fill out the Google form. And if you don't have missing work, you're just going to indicate that on your form and say, I don't have missing work, and that's fine. And then you'll submit it, okay? And then if you don't, you're done for the day. If you do, you're going to list your missing assignments. You're going to check campus. You're going to commit to getting 2 of the missing assignments done during class on Friday, okay? I have this chart here for you of all the assignments that we have done for the whole unit for quarter 2, okay? So the red ones are summatives. That means those are the ones that are making up 70% of your grade. Those are like the tests and quizzes. And the gray ones are the assignments, okay? But a lot of times the assignments are practice for the test. So sometimes those go hand in hand. Like if you're missing the test review and the test, you're going to want to do the test review first before you do the test. The other thing I put in this chart to help you when you're working is I put which week each assignment is in. So if you're in Schoology and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to find this information. Oh, it's in week 11. And then I even took it a step further and I gave you the actual link. I know you're already in Schoology, but if you click this, if you need to do the Unit 2 test review, it will pop open a new page and show you exactly where the Unit 2 test review is. Okay, so I know you'll then have 2 Schoology pages open, but that's fine. Then you don't have to spend time digging for an assignment that you could just find and complete and get done, okay? So all of the assignments and quizzes are linked here for you. You just click on it and it will bring you right to that spot in Schoology, okay? And then in your Google form, you're going to tell me which 2 assignments you are getting done during class today, and I will be available for emails all day long, or if you have a question and you want to Google Meet, I have those open office hours on Fridays from 10 to 11.